If your cloud storage is always full, you don't need more space. You need a better online storage cleaner.
Old emails, duplicate files, unused cloud documents,
Forgotten social media data, it's all taking up space, and most of it is completely unnecessary. Manually cleaning this, that's hours of work. This is where MultCleaner changes the game. Welcome to MultCleaner, a powerful online storage cleaner designed to help you remove clutter across multiple platforms from one place. You can clean your social media, you can clean your emails, and you can clean your cloud.
You can connect your Gmail, Outlook, Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and Reddit to start cleaning. Let's start with Reddit.
I've already connected my account, so let's open and scan. You can scan your posts, comments,
and filter them by time.
Further, you can select which subreddit you want to delete them from.
Next,
select which post or comment you want to delete. You can check the date, the post itself. You can even filter by subreddit,
text, comments, upvotes, and downvotes, and by date.
Once you've chosen your post, just hit delete,
and your social media is much cleaner. Now let's check emails.
For emails, you can filter
by sender, time, social, banks, shopping, content, and even by size.
I want to delete all my social emails today. For further refining, you can choose which social media. Let's choose all socials, and then you can choose the emails from their subject. You can preview them and even check their date. You can select them one by one,
or you can select all of them together. Now, you can move all these emails to archive.
You can unsubscribe them, or you can directly delete them. With just one button, you're able to bulk delete emails, unsubscribe from unwanted senders, and clean thousands of emails in seconds.
Lastly, let's check how we can clean up our drives.
It's just a simple three-step process. You can select your whole drive. Next, you can analyze for duplicates, old files, large files,
unused files, or search the file name by keyword. Today, I want to search old files and start my scan. Here are all the files analyzed with my filter. I can see the file name, size, date, and path. It also shows me how much space the files are taking and the total number of files. Once I've chosen which file to delete,
I can manually select the files. I can select all of them. Once I've chosen the file, I can either move them to a different folder, send them to trash, or delete them. Instead of digging through folders manually, you can filter and delete files in bulk, freeing up space instantly. Most people try to manage storage by upgrading plans, but the smarter move is using an online storage cleaner that removes what you don't need. MultCleaner helps you clean your digital life faster, smarter, and in one place. Digital Detox, Privacy Cleaner.